0000030. Hey everyone, have you ever thought about how hard it is for disabled students and veterans to get legal help? Legal aid is expensive and many of these folks can't afford it. Imagine facing a legal issue and not being able to get the help you need. It's a huge problem, but there's a new player in town making waves. AI LegalMate. So, what's AI LegalMate? It's an AI-powered legal research tool that offers free assistance to those who need it the most. We're talking about disabled veterans, LGBTQIA+ youth, and foreign nationals. This AI is like your personal legal buddy, working hard to make sure you get the justice you deserve. Now let's dive into the tech. AI LegalMate uses Google's Willow chip and AI 119 Gen AI patent technology. It's got artificial general intelligence and quantum computing under the hood. This powerhouse connects pro bono lawyers with clients and handles tons of cases in no time. It's like having a super smart, super fast lawyer in your pocket. Looking ahead, AI LegalMate has some pretty big plans. They're integrating AI with wearable tech for adaptive learning. They call it QM-Ware. This could totally change how we think about legal aid and education. So, if this sounds as awesome to you as it does to me, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Let's spread the word about how AI is making a real difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.